On line 6, we declare long integer variables, begin and end. On line 7, we create the input file stream object named myFile, and using the object, we open in local disk drive E, the file, 1.txt. Just to ensure, I check in local disk drive labeled E, the file named 1.txt. It's there. I then mouse over the file, and the tooltip shows its size as 92 bytes. The file, 1.txt, which has been opened by the myFile object, looks like this, and remember that by default, a file pointer points to the first character when a file is opened. On line 8 the command says, tell G, or get the current position of file pointer, and assign it to the field begin. File pointer is pointing to character M, and the position of the character in the file is 0. Hence, the value 0 is stored in the field begin. On line 9 in the program code, we have instructed to print the value of begin onto output screen. Then on line 10, we have used seekG function to place the file pointer at the end of file, moving to 0 position. So the file pointer now places itself at the end of file, which is 1 position after the last character we see. If you had mentioned -1 as the position instead of 0, the pointer would have positioned itself at E, and if it was -2, it would have been at Y. So now, the pointer is at end of file, and its position is 92. On line 11, it says to get the current position of file pointer, and assign it to the field end. Hence 92 is copied to end. On line 12, we ask to print the value of end onto output screen. Line 13 instructs the compiler to close the file, 1.txt. We then print the size of the file, simply by deducting the value of begin position from the end position. It's 92 bytes, the exact value shown by the tooltip. Let's next cover the topic on templates in C++.